Hello, my dear UPSC aspirant. I welcome to all of you again in Approaches to Mains, Question to Concept. In previous session, we discussed one of the most important concept behind the question. And again, today, we will take a one question and we will try to find out the concept and the model answer. How to understand the question carefully and how to find out the core areas of the question and how to decode the question carefully and what are the major concept behind the questions and how to tackle these all areas. Okay, in few minutes. That's the motto of this class or this video. Getting my point? My name is Dr. Abid and I welcome to all of you in GSC Score. I teach environment and ecology in GSC Score, and this is also from environment and ecology environmental impact assessment. We will try to find out the environmental impact assessment based questions from the GS paper 3rd, and I will tell you how to find out the basic concept. Look, this is the question from 2024 Mains examination GS paper 3rd, and this is the questions is all about what role do environmental NGOs and activists play influencing environmental impact assessment. As we know that environmental impact assessment is a very important steps to know the impact and consequences of project. Getting my point? And now question is demanding that what is the role of NGOs, activists influencing environmental assessment outcomes for major projects in India. Now you have to cite your examples with all important details. Word limit 150, 10 marks, and I will give you the maximum output of the questions. Basically, question is demanding you have to find out the NGOs and activists, and you have to find out the major projects and their environmental impact assessments. And now we have to identify the major NGOs and their role. Look, such questions are coming frequently in our examinations, so now it is necessary to understand the concept. Whenever we talk about the concept, so आपको ये बात तो याद रखनी है कि क्या है role. Look, understanding how civil societies, specifically environmental NGOs and activists, shape environmental governance in India. Whenever a project come, ठीक है, तो उसके आधार पे you will find out there number of NGOs are coming from the different corners to counter the project. What are the impact of this project on a particular area, on environment, on wildlife, on flora and fauna? ये सारी चीजें हैं. Especially through environmental impact assessment. Mean now it becomes a very serious duty of these NGOs and environmental activists कि हमें environmental impact assessment करना है of your bigger or major project. Look, these all are the core conceptual areas. Means whenever these kind of questions you will notice, so you will find out what is the role of civil. What is the role of civil societies and environmental governance? Means you have to focus on role of civil society in environmental governance. Means question assess your grasp of how NGOs, activists act as a watchdogs, advocates and facilitator for transparency, accountability and public participation in environmental decision making. Getting my point? So core concept is, and what is the demand of? Demand is that you have to find out the role of civil societies in environmental governance. Next, what is the influence on EIA outcomes? Look, if want you to connect how NGOs and activists scrutinize EIA reports, mobilize communities, challenges assessment and use legal mechanism through the IP and the PIL to ensure that environmental and social concerns addressed before project approval. You can find over there role of civil societies, influence on EIA outcomes, balancing development and sustainability is one of the most important areas if we talk about NGOs and activists. Look, by asking for examples, question expect you to demonstrate how activism can lead to stricter safeguard project modification or even cancellation, reflecting the tension and balance between economic development and environmental protection. Okay? Next one, application through the examples. Now we have to add the number of examples or number of case studies. Vedanta, Nyamgiri, Starlight, Copper Plant, Tata, Mundra, POSCO, Tehri Dam shows your ability to apply theoretical understanding of real world scenarios. Means whenever we see, when you try to attempt these all kind of questions, ये core concept है question का, the question की demand है ये. Getting my point? Next, if we summarize the concept, so we find out that your knowledge, testing your knowledge of participatory environmental governance. Whenever we read the environmental governance, now it becomes very necessary to understand, हाँ भाई ये चीज तो होना चाहिए, ठीक है, and mechanism through the which NGOs and activists influence policies and project outcomes. Your ability to illustrate with this contemporary relevant examples means yes, we have to add a number of examples. So first of all, before attempting these all questions, we have to find the core concept, and this is the core concept behind the question. Now let's take an example and let's discuss a model answer. First of all, we'll start from the introduction side, and you will notice over there NGOs and activists play a transformative role in influencing environmental impact assessment outcome for major projects in India. The focus is on transformative role. Their involvement ensure environmental, social and legal concerns are adequately addressed, promoting transparency, accountability and development decision making. Now you will notice over there, first of all we talk about the transformative role, then we talk about involvement, मतलब जो NGOs और activists का जो involvement है, ensure environmental, social and legal concern, ठीक है, adequately address, अच्छी तरह से address किए जाएंगे, and promote transparency and accountability in development and decision making. So you can notice over there what are the values of the word we are going to use: adequately address, promoting transparency, accountability, developmental decision making. These all are highly valuable words. Means in introduction you will use very informative words only. अपना जो philosophical way है उसको भाई अलग कर देना, कोई जरूरत नहीं उसकी. You will use only effective words, that's all. अपनी तरफ से फालतू की चीजें लिखना नहीं है. We have to choose limited but effective words. Getting my point? Let's move toward the main body. Now, roles played. Look, these are the roles. Number one, scrutiny and advocacy, community mobilization, legal intervention. When we talk about scrutiny and advocacy, you will find out that NGOs like Center for Science and Environment, Kalpvriksh and Greenpeace India critically analyze EIA reports. We mention almost 3 NGOs exposing scientific inaccuracies, procedural lapses and advocate public consultation. They advocate for robust assessment and compliance with environmental. Means we discuss NGO's name, again we discuss their work, and they advocate for robust assessment, and we discuss their vision in just scrutiny and advocacy. And another important role, community mobilization. Community mobilization means local communities, empowering them to participate in public hearing and voice their concern. this democratize EIA process and bring grassroots perspective into policy debates. Now you can easily assume important words, most important words are being used in our man body, just man body. Don't use extra words, use only important words. Next, legal intervention. Now NGOs are also working for PIL and approach regulatory authorities or courts to challenge flawed EIA or illegal projects clearance. Getting my point? Now you will notice over there, we took many examples from the Vedanta bauxite mining, and I tried to elaborate Vedanta bauxite mining. Look, just Niyamgiri Hills, Odisha. NGOs like Survival International and Niyamgiri Suraksha Samiti mobilized the Dongriya Kond tribe, challenged the EIA. Getting my point? With limited words, I mentioned the maximum activities, highlighted ecological and cultural threats. Again, I discussed ecological and cultural threats, highlighted. Activism led to landmark Supreme Court judgment upholding tribal rights and projects rejection. ये हमने चीजें डिस्कस की. नेक्स्ट, पोस्को स्टील प्रोजेक्ट ओडिशा, इसको भी हमने देखा. ग्रीन पीस इंडिया वहां क्या कर रहा है, एंड द इवेंचुअली विड्रॉल ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट इन 2017. ये बेसिक चीजें ऐड कीजिए आप इसमें. नेक्स्ट, स्टारलाइट कॉपर प्लांट फ्रॉम तमिलनाडु. यू कैन नोटिस ओवर देयर, ठीक है, violation and health hazard resulting in mass protest and plant closure by the state government. This is the power of NGO. Silent Valley movement of 1980s, environmentalist and NGO campaign against a hydroelectric project threatening a biodiversity hotspot. This is the another most important, ठीक है, work of the NGO. Next, now let's move toward the conclusion. Through research, advocacy, legal action, community engagement, environmental NGOs and activists are ensure that EIA process are transparent, scientifically sound and socially just. ठीक है, you can assume in the just 2 lines I used, ठीक है, maximum important words. All words are highly important, ठीक है, and reflecting the way of answer writing, मतलब reflecting the best way of the answer writing. Their intervention have led to significant modification, strict safeguard or even cancellation of environmentally harmful project, thereby promoting sustainable development in India. And I mentioned some suggestions, means their intervention, ठीक है, or their work safeguarding the sustainable development in India. So in conclusion, I am going to bind up my answer with the help of these important words. Means if you are a serious aspirant and you want to understand the questions, please make sure first of all you have to work on your, ठीक है, मतलब उधर thought होता है, उस पर काम करना पड़ेगा. You have to understand your basic approaches and you have to work on the questions, that what is the demand and what are the core concept. ऐसा नहीं है आपने देखा खड़ा लिखना स्टार्ट कर दिया. नो नो नो, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द कोर कंसेप्ट, देन यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन द वर्ड्स लिमिट एंड यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द विच आर द मैक्सिमम beneficially words for me and why, and how to choose the best important words. Getting my point? So I have a very special surprise for you for the probable questions. Take. These are the 5 questions and I'm going to give you a task. You have to attempt these all questions and you will submit these all questions given below the link, and through the Telegram and other important social networks we will try to contact you and we will try to find the best way, and I will tell you your mistakes, your vision and your way of answer writing. We will discuss thoroughly. Getting my point? So this is a very important task for all of you. ठीक है, you have to attempt these all questions carefully and make sure you will submit, है ना. इस पर हम डिस्कशन बहुत अच्छा वाला करेंगे. नेक्स्ट, थैंक यू. Okay, this is enough from this side, and I hope so you like this video, and comment, subscribe, and if you have any doubt regarding the concept and any other areas, you can contact the JC Score and me, and see you soon with new question, new concept, new model answer, and we'll try to discuss how to adopt these all important stuff for UPSC Mains answer writing. Okay, this is Dr. Abid. Thank you so much. See you soon. Take care.